This is a 2018 Mbo combined with a Muller Martini web-fed digital saddle stitching line. We'll go through each component and what it can do here in just a minute. The saddle stitching portion on the left here is made by Muller Martini. You can see the color change in the middle from light blue to dark blue. This is all Mbo components to the right for all the folding and roll feeding and sheeting portions of the machine. Starting down here on the far right, this is the Mbo Svc525c unwinder. I believe it's a 20.5 inch, but it's set up for 20-inch digital web. Do a little walk around here. There's an EL guider in the top here. Next we have the Mbo Svc525c Sheeter. We cannot open the top cover to show you the inside where the machine is powered down, but you can see pretty well inside from here. You can change cutting length on the fly. Next, we have the Mbo Digifold, or the DF, the technical model is the DF/T560 6-plate, but they call it their Digifolder, which is designed for this line, inline folding. Got your standard batch counter up front, up top there. 6 plates, 2 up, 2 down. Or sorry, 3 down, 3 up. And I believe I can open this up. The rest of your plates are in there. Sound hoods to keep the noise down. Next, this is a Mbo component. I believe it's actually made by Herzog and Heyman there, part of the Mbo group. This is a transfer table from the folder to the Muller Martini components. And you can also mount other things if necessary on this table, in addition to just the registration guide here. Starting here, this is the plow folding and accumulating section. So if you look in here, you have cameras for barcode recognition. Going down here, this is where you're going to have your, since you're only folding one direction down there, you would do your, this is where plow folds and accumulates. Accumulate multiple signatures for one book. Obviously there's no chain currently. That was removed for the deinstall. After that, you got your cover feeder here. Now this is a modular system. You can add on more, you could add pockets or other items here if necessary. You'd have to contact Muller Martini and obviously purchase that, and they'd have to reprogram the system, but you could add pockets for offset printed work as well. This is the cover feeder, as I said, and again also got your camera for your barcode reading. You can actually match the covers to the work, the variably printed web work. Next, you got your Presto 2 digital saddle stitcher here. Your touchscreen interface, remote. Going down here, I believe I can open this, maybe? Or not. Cannot be opened currently. But if you look on the inside, 2 stitching heads there, and that is the component that actually changes the thickness on the fly depending on the book. And then moving forward, we have our 3-knife trimmer here. This one. And then standard delivery conveyor, 6 foot here. Another extra add-on is it has the bush waste removal system. I mean, it's currently on skids, but this component here would be all the way under the trim chute there, and it transfers the trim from there over to the larger conveyor, and then up into a trash hopper, recycling hopper. We'll do a little walk around the back here of the whole system. Give you an idea of the footprint. The full length is approximately 50 feet long, and the depth here, not including the delivery conveyor, is about 10 feet this way, plus the 6-foot conveyor. We'll walk back. I mean, the machine is extremely clean, being less than 2 years old, in wonderful condition. And then just lastly here, we do have all the accessories, manuals, electrical diagrams, schematics. Everything is packed up nicely here. Each component has its own operating manual, electrical diagrams, everything. All spare parts, chains, etc.